Narwa Garva Ghurva Bari is the foundation of Chhattisgarh's richest agricultural tradition and rural economy, but the apathy towards preservation of the natural resources and drastic change in farming methods made us forget about our traditional heritage. Suraji Gaon Yojana is formulated to preserve and conserve our heritage of Narwa Garva Ghurva Bari. Chhattisgarh has 33,000 rivulets. Construction of structures on these rivulets may ensure water flow round the year. This will not only recharge groundwater level but will also supply water for farming in all seasons. There was a time when the number of cows a family owns used to be the parameter of their prosperity. Traditional shepherding system used to protect crops from cattle, but now cattle grazing in the open have become a challenge for farming. Under Suraji Gaon Yojana, traditional cowsheds in every village are being renovated as daycare centers along with the pasturage for nutritious fodder supply. These gothans are equipped with the facilities of treatment, vaccination and breed improvement. Livestock are not just milk-producing creatures, but they are also the source of organic fertilizers. Farmers prepare compost with cow dung and vegetable waste. Giving it a shape of community, women's self-help groups have been involved to produce vermicompost in gothans. In the last 1 year, nearly 3.25 lakh tons of organic carbonic substances have been consumed as fertilizers in farms. Community biogas plants are lighting up the cooking stoves. This scheme is reviving the tradition of bari in every household. Front yard and backyard areas in houses are being utilized for vegetable farming. It is not only creating additional income but also providing nutrition to the entire family. Rural industrial parks have been established in gothans. In these industries, 15,000 women of 2,400 self-help groups are employed. Resources for the scheme are being facilitated through convergence of Manrega and state government schemes. Suraji Gaon Yojana is a scheme conducted by villagers for the village community. Government is providing training to villagers and panchayat members to sustain the scheme. In the initial stage, state government is providing financial aid of Rs 10,000 per month for operating gothans. To secure villagers' active participation in the long run is the key to success and sustainability of the scheme, and the challenge too. This scheme is providing environment-friendly scientific farming, employment in villages, land and water conservation, nutrition, cooperatives and women empowerment. This innovation is an experiment to lay foundation of prosperity in the villages of Chhattisgarh.